See? Hello, everybody. We got my bro, Mello. Say what's up.
What's up?
Today we have another train today in Piscataway, NJ. Okay, let's see what we got. I think we got C6 today. Okay, yep, we got C6. Holy cow, look at all that graffiti on that car, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11, 12, 13, 14, garbage cars, 15, 16, ew, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, count, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46 cars. There he goes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge like, and I'll see you guys later. And say peace, bro.
Peace.
Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Give me 100 subscribers, please. And peace!